What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We have something sent to us from Civivi, and it is the Civivi Biophase. Didn't have a clue what this was when I heard about it, so I had to look it up, check it out, and it's definitely unique, is one way to put it. What do we get all in the package? Got some stickers, looks like the Praxis right there. That's a goodie right there. I love that knife. I have the mini Praxis and the regular Praxis, and both are great knives. Just little stickers, little this, little that, little warranty information, and your normal cleaning cloth that comes with it. Let's get the knife out and check out that. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Alright, so as you can kind of see it already, the plastic is different. it's you could call it skeletonized a little bit, just a slight bit. Yeah, it's definitely skeletonized. One thing I noticed kind of right off the bat is how much it weighs, and I was assuming by the pictures that's why they had done it, is just to make it super, super light, and it feels like that's what it kind of did. It opens pretty smooth. Yeah, but it's like stupid light. Like, I don't even know how to say it. Like, hold on, like this is the mini Praxis. Just gonna compare real quick, as you can see, size-wise. And I'm gonna say that the mini Praxis is actually a little bit heavier. Yeah, I'm gonna say the little mini Praxis is heavier. So I'm guessing that's why they did everything. I do think that the liner right here, if that's what you want to call it, is actually aluminum. I think that's what that is. That's aluminum, and obviously you have G10 right here, and it's actually textured. It's milled out or something like that to make it pretty sticky. Not like sticky, but make your hand stick to the blade, and to that. You don't want to put your hand on the blade. You want to put your hand on the handle. Duh. Sorry. But yeah, it sticks pretty well though to it. Like, it's really grippy. It's not bad, and it's freaking light, like it's crazy. So it's balanced decently. I think that's why they also kind of skeletonized it right here too, just every little bit, just to help balance that weight out. Because when you have a knife that's really, really light right here, I don't know. I think to me it just feels awkward with the blade being so much heavier. I have some knives kind of like that, and I don't necessarily carry them a lot just because they feel weird. Like, it doesn't feel right. You know what I mean? This doesn't feel bad though. This feels pretty balanced. Feels good in hand though. Ergonomic wise, yeah, it feels pretty good. I like it. You can definitely choke up if you need to. You have that little finger troll right there. So if you feel like you need to choke up, go for it. Have a nice little ramp right there, a little thumb ramp. I like it. And you got your jimping right there. Not bad on the jimping. Feels pretty good at least. Definitely if you choke up, you can definitely pinch it right there too pretty good, and you can do your fine work, whatever you want. Not bad though overall. I don't mind the blade. I like the blade. It's not too bad. It's definitely a good sized clip point. I don't know about this yet. I'm still up in the air about that. I'll have to let you know. But obviously, for weight purposes, it's probably there for like a reason. So definitely, so you can obviously rear flip it. Works pretty well. I like the little snappiness. Got a little ting to it. But you can also use this as a finger hole flipper. Flips open just fine. I'm very surprised by that. I kind of just, let me see if I can, yeah, okay, so you can do I kind of put my middle finger right here on the middle hole. It's kind of right there, just pushing up, obviously right there, and it flicks open nice. And you can even put it down here a little bit. You just have to dig your finger down a little bit, and it comes open right away. So that's pretty nice. I like that. What was the blade steel? Oh, there it is. I don't know if you guys saw it on camera. Right there. You can barely see it. Nitro V. That's kind of cool though. They have it like barely there, so they can keep the blade like completely free of any like insignias, emblems, wording, or anything like that, except for that little bit right there, and you can barely even see that. So overall, I like this. I'm ready to kind of carry it around, check it out, see if it really kind of works well for me. I think it's a hollow grind too. I think that's what I read. I'm not for sure, but I'll have to let you guys know. Definitely very light. Titanium, not titanium pocket clip. I think it's stainless steel pocket clip. Steel pocket clip. It is reversible, which is nice. Definitely a plus. It is recessed, and the screws are too, so that's a bonus right there. But I'll give you kind of like a up front, or not an up front, like a close up. Definitely, it's definitely nice because it is grippy. It's a very grippy. Got a little bit of jimping right there. Some kind of texture right there. I guess that's to help with grip. Obviously when you got it in hand, pinches right there, nice to it. Not a bad little knife. I guess not little. Uh, Hold on, what do I got right here? Praxis, or not a Praxis? Raccoon, Rusty Raccoon. So it's definitely a little bit bigger of a knife. It's not bad. I'm very impressed with this actually. It does. I'm not gonna say. I kind of thought it like a gas station knife, but it's not. Well, I don't know. It's got a reason the way it looks. The way it looks. You know what I mean? It just looked odd to me. So that's I guess why I thought, oh, it's a gas station knife. No, it's actually not. Now I know why, because it has reasons for it. It's definitely freaking light, and it's something that you could. This would almost feel like you'd lose it in your pocket, except that it's actually bigger, obviously. But like weight wise, like it would, you'd feel like you lost it. But that's all I really got, though. I'm gonna give it the final review. I'll get all the specs and everything like that for you guys. If you have any comments or questions or anything like that, let's leave it down in the comment section. If you like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.